First, the top news headlines. With 73 deaths in 24 hours, India's COVID-19 toll crosses 1,000 mark. Eight security personnel from Assam infected with COVID-19 denied treatment. And Manipur government booked several people for criticism of handling COVID-19 crisis. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. India's death toll from the coronavirus pandemic rose to 1,007 today after 73 fatalities were reported in the last 24 hours as the country stepped up to ease the restrictions under the lockdown that have already lasted more than a month, a media report said. The number of infected people jumped to 31,332, the Union Health Ministry data show at 8 a.m. with 1,897 new cases of the COVID-19. The rate of recovery rose to 24.55% after 827 people were sent home after being cured, the Health Ministry's dashboard show. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has indicated that the lockdown could continue beyond May 3 in parts of the country worst affected by the pandemic, identified as hotspots. Despite the national lockdown that has kept people mostly indoors amid strict restrictions, Maharashtra and Gujarat continue to report some of the biggest spikes in the country. There were 11,196 cases of COVID-19 in Maharashtra, including 400 deaths and 1,388 people who have been sent home from hospitals. In Gujarat, 4,359 people have been infected by SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, out of which 181 have died. Serious allegations arrived that 8 security personnel from Assam stationed in Delhi who are infected with COVID-19 have been denied treatment for quite a few days. The Jawans are not even admitted to hospital. According to a report, the Jawans belong to the 31 Battalion of CRPF. One of them hails from Changsari in Kamrup district. He was found COVID-19 positive on April 24 last. However, he along with 7 others infected by the deadly coronavirus are yet to get any treatment. Allegations arrived that the health department did not do follow-up their cases even after they tested positive, the report said. Public criticism of the government's handling of the COVID-19 outbreak has landed several persons in trouble with the law in Manipur, according to a report in the Indian Express. Official records how that police have invoked sections of the Disaster Management Act and Indian Penal Code to press charges against them. In Imphal West alone, there are more than 10 cases, including 3 relating to sedition. Megachandra, Imphal West Superintendent of Police, told the Indian Express that there are over 10 cases under the DMA and at least 3 cases have sections of sedition. What has coincided with the police crackdown on those criticizing the government is a sedition case filed this month against a JNU research scholar Mohammad Chingiz Khan and Guwahati University Assistant Professor Mohammad Imtiaz Khan after a translation of an opinion article on Manipuri Muslims that they had written as a year ago was published in a local newspaper. A group of people from Farington village under Machi block in Tangnopal constituency today visited private residence of Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam at Hairok Thokchom Lekai and handed over the truckload of fresh vegetables to him. The minister warmly received the food items. Radheshyam, on behalf of Hairok residents, gave food items like rice, potatoes and sold to the Farington villagers. Koibu ADC member A. Marungsan was part of the team. At the event, T.H. Radesham stated that the gestures of the Farington villagers was priceless.
Mari Pai, I was there. Masita, Korea, and Sigumba, Kanba, Marilena, some see Belu at the Mamanate. Yamna Belu Yami, people number, Warakan Pubira Cose, Sigi Belu, Sigi Mamal, Sigi, hiding later Mamayama. So, a Pui, Irokian Ritartagi, Pamela, Pui Prajapuna, Gitartagi, Pui, Sing the Levi, now, putting my silsa, putting Maru and putting Pumila, putting a fool, hiding later.
Now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates. Welcome back. Manipur unit of Shiv Sena today urged the state government to convene an all-party meeting to discuss about the problems of students, farmers and daily wage earners caused by the current lockdown. Party President M. Tombi was distributing face masks to media persons and ration to the residents of Babupara at the party office located at Babupara. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the event, M. Tombi said Manipur has become a COVID-19 free state because of the state government, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff and cooperation of the public. The Shiv Sena leader said that today's distribution was done in the hope that it will help in fighting the pandemic to some extent. He also urged the people not to purchase edible items from Mori and not to take up business of betel leaves and alcohol during such difficult time. Tombi stressed on the need for an all-political party meeting before making any decision on the lockdown after May 3.
Kaino political gi kari gi adu tongnobagi mahuta aikoi mateng pangradana amtang aikoi state che mathang gi next ki aikoi gi karigumba extend tawrabusu madugi potto khoi welcome tawminadra masigi laina tina si changna ba khoi punna gang thokmina saibse Shiv Sena ki makedi Manipur ki miyam da appeal tawjari.
General Secretary of National People's Party NPP Chungkham Bijoy Singh today distributed essential commodities to the poor and needy widows of 19 Pasoi block under Imphal West at the party office Sangai Pro. Around 500 individuals of the constituency received the relief materials. Chungkham Bijoy during the program stressed on the importance of coronavirus testing of everyone through the local MLAs.
Pasoi kendra ki oina niam punamakta leitaba koi disabled person amadi oido amadi hena leitaba imung da khallaga aina angam mateng ngasi bijabani cheng khara khara da oisu ngasi bauta aina bijare ise maximum 49 but ni adu 20 but mu ki cover tok sale chithar nanda obusu ai angam yarigi yenba ngamna bo hona jani adu COVID-19 sina lakosida ari coronavirus ki masigi posida aikoina Manipur ki praja punamna Pasoi ki miyam punamna yam section na leibiba mudi sangi masida koi Manipur da anaba ni lerami form to a free oire haiba leiti huji.
In connection with the death of one Yengkom Danabir of Sekta Awang Lekai under suspicious circumstances at a rehabilitation center in Nungoi, Paurabi yesterday, a joint action committee JAC has been formed. Residents of Sekta Awang Lekai staged a protest and later decided not to claim the body unless justice is delivered to the deceased and his family. Over the incident, a praise meet was held today at the Sekta Community Hall, wherein mother of the deceased Yengkom Thavle condemned the attitude of the authorities of the rehab center. She further urged the state government to bring all culprits to book.
Kitang thagadra na mo igito thamuraga moina so wa manang pa sina seba kitang tawjabda nang kari weri na chingthoga makhut pullaga phui adu ai cha du parak long thadei adu mabuk tu da chai chok tawam na kan da khang ho hogalaga ma si chen bani si baga pangkhak leram do adu ga phar ga mu puchalaga mu mawda man nari bana khang du sira na kin na chujan na chai na chujalle Aduh, tahu bukan apa ini. Moin nasi kumbat thong tuan baca. Ayam pam jadi, macam tunggu deh. Amu mana tuan bapam deh. Ayam lengak tu ne faza, ayam jen bion, ayam haji ni.
Hingga hari paisa ani saya, kuda gesat pane, siang lagi bagi hing pane. Marai bak thiba, orang di situ tunggu kari orang kani, hayang kari thol kani, hamsit kari thol kani, tambangam deh. Situ, orang nungdang kari thol kani, kangbangam deh. Isab mana ada thajan dana, mana panga, unga ke targa, ising sai dana lak lagi hai baca ke sakit sapuan, putok sage hutron miyam mamangda. Isase, ada mai teraga isase yum tu pura, ya wah, ni lak lagi isase lak papi bamse. Ay, iwalay trabaho so, sagi pusi bukan yang bagi nama kita tamu bani sa, adana. Ay, wasi paisa pam de, karita pam de, ay yana pa punara kaso, ay kisa po panana balayang biba. Tung de isana, pata bani sa kaso, mama ay mana, ay kisway tog sage, tung da, pata ba ay kisa na siguro mani sama sarak pada, kulay kaya mati kalap kote maksiantar kote mang na ay kisa po warak sa pada, ay Patana ay yai ay pagi ay suwaj ma ay tasing na tawag sage.
Lengang na, ako social welfare department na piri ba ako center asida ako Manipur da riba center singa sina guideline singa si yaw daba center singa si thingbiu na ako lengak ta haijaba laigidreba imung manung asida ako sarkar gi sahayta gi ex gesia ako PV ba loina amasung ako matik chaba ako sida chenari ba kano singa si dandi piba Hariba wafam singasi koigi lamlai esigi honorable MLA gi kuthangda Manipur gi honorable chief minister da yohanba karigumba wafam singasi sarkarna thabak toina onthok trabadi ekoi makhata na koi kanba khungjang jesina sanction jargani hai wafam ji tamjai.
Talking to media persons, brother of late Danabir Yenkum Ravi alleged that the rehab center does not follow laid down rules, claiming that the inmates at the center are treated inhumanely. He also added Danabir died after being brutally beaten up by the center staff.
I had my talk on the Kogi Mama Bahoy, Mam Lemneva. I hear when Nang Namba do late, what trapulaja. No, I treva, I in the Puri Potujuana, Priloctoying, Halaying, they demand the shower. I saw already, Manung Jangalagami, I put a river, Mamanung the Lay Esido, Lay bringing with the Mulayam driver. While Kankala was chin, Lucia Lemeva. I demand the labor in Miss Mam do Mang the labor, who Mang labor clan Mam to do, I a tongue to even. Moja, how we give Mayana, Grave to Mam Tangana, Lamineva, Mam Tangana, as I told you to settle, give a Lakna, give me and the pin the way from the Moy, pin the Moy to pin the way. I did cannot however. I live to my Amchangana, I did too, I young guy, Kadi Towering Angie.
President of CONE and NGO RK Nalini Kanta maintained that similar incidents have taken place due to negligence of the related department. He underlined on the need of the state government to take additional measures to prevent such incidents in future.
Government, especially social welfare department, who is a nodal department of drug use issue in Manipur. Despite of so many representation being submitted to the department, despite of so many one-to-one meeting being organized, Nasipokta Moina Tasan Nadana Adum regulation ki pose Laktamina Moina regulate Taudavadaki quality Yaudava Rehab Center Mayamama Kogi Manipur State Tholak Padagi, Sugumba, Misi Minagi, can also Todokse, Tokpani.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, Malim Ima Export and Import Private Limited distributed face masks to media persons, including staff of TOMTV today. Amid the lockdown, Thangmaiban United Club TUC volunteers seized illegal LPG cylinders from a godown at Thangmaiban in Imphal, and later the godown was sealed by the volunteers of the club. The godown belongs to Thangal Indian Gramin Vitak at Khopum and LPG agent for Kaupum Bailey's Longjang village.
Singmi Shinao Sing, Mayam Sina, a quick sing the Pangzagada Mayam, the Lana, Toby Haitare, Masigum Basit, Toby the Nava, Singi Prasasing, Awazi Cook and Nava, Tamu United Club now, swum the sing the Poo, the port around the Kadaka, the Sat Crescine, Masi Gamena, Subsabama, a TV Rakanda, Sida Natana, Atopa. I sing the lady ba agency mayam si sumai na loina torom gadra habi sing na ba akoida nungnang ba phawi masi to honda na sing the chapsana chakthung jing je phanghan na ba hon na ba duni akoina pamjari je adubu si matung na sing ba se amona thok ta na ba su hon be.
3 individuals from Thoubal constituency donated a sum of rupees 1,10,000 towards Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund yesterday. Leitanthem Basant donated rupees 50,000. Yunus Sak of Thoubal Mujing Awang Lekai donated rupees 50,000 and Sanasam Ranbir from Thoubal Savantongba donated rupees 10,000. Nikhil Bishnupriya Manipuri Mahasavad Manipur donated rupees 70,000 to the Manipur 7,000 to the Manipur COVID Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund. P. Samarendra Singh, a resident of Jiribam's Gaukhal, also donated rupees 30,000, 3,000 to the COVID Relief Fund. This was informed by the Vice President of Nikhil Bishnupriya Manipuri Mahasabha Central Committee, K.H. Navakumas, and Working President P. Jiten Singh. Dr. T.H. Doubly, founder President of Manipur Tourism Forum, has been conferred the Order of the Rising Sun, Golden and Silver Rays for the years 2020 by the Japanese government in recognition of his contribution towards promoting the understanding of Japan and India and friendship between Japan and India. He is one among the 3 Indians and 114 foreign nationals to have been given the honor this year. Coordinating body Kurai today distributed edible items to the truck drivers and handymen coming from the states to Manipur. Volunteers of the local body and Maharabi Young Club distributed relief materials to the transporter at Maharabi. Khagokpang Khamga, of a social worker, today extended financial assistance to the students of Kurai constituency who are stranded in different parts of the country due to COVID-19. A sum of rupees 1,000 each was transferred to their accounts. Khagokpang Khamba said that they extended the financial assistance under Vision Kurai 2022. He stressed on the importance of education for the overall development of a society. He said that financial assistance of rupees 1,000 each to 55 students has been transferred for the first phase today. He also urged the guardians and parents of these students to contact Vision Kurai 2022 by dialing 8794827075 or 87877268055 to avail the assistance.
And tools of future. Education is in any field. Masi Webia Day. Education very, very important. Aduna Hariba Sata Satin Jim, bright future when we don't to Sinjabani. Waloriba, a quickie, Mairo Singna, Mama Baba, Gajangi Truda, Vision Kurai 2022, contact of Viro, contact of the contact of Heg Yari Makai Tuna, Aquina, Waloriba, Mayma Sing Tamiba, Agisha choosing them Koi Bang Ekonda. At least possible, I deposit of Jarake.
Maming when the Panzabada social worker, Tada Kambana, Quigi, Saisugi, Kuraki Dregi, Manipuang, with the Lagiba, Tolopan and Hodraba Singi, Ekon, Pisa, Singama Habibaze, Yamuize, Mama Moina, Matung the Tada, is not Tolopat, Tabakurimata, my Papa, Mongoleba, Isona, Zambia, Sano, Sierra.
Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, all Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samas and Nupi Samas distributed food items to inmates of Poirei Nawakon home located at Laimakol Women's Airport Complex, Achanbingay. One of the guardians thanked the social worker for his kind deed. Sahunaf Yuvak Sangh Manipuri under the supervision of Imphal East District Magistrate today organized an open market sale at the office of the Mandal at Manipuri. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Bishnupur Vivag today distributed refreshment and marks to the police personnel in Bishnupur district who are fighting the coronavirus pandemic in the state. And now let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Kanghanjaba, Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hauzik Oyiba Kudong Chadaba Kaya Asigi Yenglaga Miam Gitamak Hospital Asigi Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna Miam Gitogal Taujaragani Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singde Service Lepchagani Hospital Asida Lakchangi Mamangda Makhada Pijariba contact number Asida Han appointment Lobiu Amadi patient ka mioi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba Kanghanjari ba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited Rims Southgate Kombirei Kaitel contact number 8258967890.
Welcome back. The All Manipur Students Union AMSU has appealed to all schools not to take tuition fees for the lockdown, stating that the people of the states are facing immense hardship due to the COVID-19 lockdown and they are not earning even livelihood. AMSU in a press release said that the parents and guardians should not be burdened by the schools. Appealing to the schools to waive fees for the lockdown period, the union said that the government should also look into the matter and provide relief to the families of the students. 109 B and CRPF under the aegis of IGP, Manipur and Nagaland sector conducted a civic action program yesterday at Goldal Poly Club, Mayang Imphal, Khongchak Makhalikai. In this program, safety items like surgical masks, 3-ply and sanitizer and gloves, hand wash and Lysol floor cleaner were distributed to the police personnel of Mayang Imphal village, Goldal Poly Club and Mayang Imphal Khongchak Makhalikai for further distribution to marginalized section of said villages. This program was conducted to provide assistance to citizens and to spread awareness about preventive measures against COVID-19, a press release said. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, PDA Chairman cum Thanga MLA T. Robindra Singh distributed water tanks to selected 600 households of Thanga. BJP Thanga Mandal President El Soba was present at the event. Tangkhul Naga AG Longfang today said that the stance of Manipur titular King Lysemba Sanajauba to enter electoral politics is his own personal choice. In a release, the Tangkhul body stated that since the day he filed nomination papers for the Rajya Sabha election 2020, the relation between Lysemba Sanajauba and the people of the hills was no more. Happy Life Foundation Manipur provided edible items to security personnel on COVID-19 duty. General Secretary of the foundation, Huidrom Suresh Kumar, said that the distribution was to show appreciation to the security personnel who are among the frontline workers. Women folk of Jiribam under the aegis of All Manipur Women's Voluntary Organization Amawofa today distributed relief materials to residents of 5 different localities of Jiribam. Around 25 households of Kamranga, Chandrapur, Kadamtala and Chidong Likai received the relief materials. Mizoram has begun distribution of free rations to Antyodaya Anna Yojana AAY and Priority Household PHH beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana PMGKAY. The center has allocated 10,23,000.22 metric tons of rice to Mizoram to be distributed to AAY and PHH beneficiaries free of cost during the lockdown. According to media reports, in March, the center announced a relief package of rupees 1,70,000 crore under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, as per which beneficiaries will be given 5 kg of rice and 1 kilo of pills per person to tackle food crisis during the nationwide lockdown imposed to contain the spread of novel coronavirus. According to State Food, Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs Director Laljauli Ralte, there are 1,29,410 PHH card holders and 25,995 AAY card holders in the state to avail the benefit. US President Donald Trump doubled down the China of failing to tame the coronavirus at its very origin, saying it has led to 184 countries going through hell, as several American lawmakers demanded steps to reduce dependence on Beijing for manufacturing and minerals, according to a media report. Trump has been publicly blaming China for the global spread of the invisible enemy and launched an investigation against it. He has also indicated that the US may be looking at a lot more money in damages from China than the $140 billion being shot by Germany from Beijing for the pandemic. Leaders of the US, the UK and Germany believe that the deaths and the destruction of the global economy could have been avoided had China shared the information about the virus in its early phases. The virus, which originated in China's Wuhan city in mid-November, has killed more than 2 lakh people and infected over 3 million globally. The largest number of them are in the US, nearly 59,000 deaths and over 1 million infections. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) has confirmed that a tiny asteroid will safely pass near to Earth today, according to media reports. NASA, however, clarified that the asteroid poses no threat to Earth, as it will not even come close to hitting the planet. The asteroid, named as asteroid 2020 HS7 by the agency, will pass at a distance of 23,000 miles, 36,400 kilometers from the Earth. Tiny asteroid 2020 HS7 will safely pass Earth just before 3 p.m. EDT today at a distance of about 23,000 miles, 36,400 kilometers. 2020 HS7 poses no danger to our planet, and small asteroids of this size safely pass by Earth a few times per month. The NASA also said that the tiny asteroids like 2020 HS7, 4 to 6 meters in diameter, are small enough that if they were on a collision course with Earth, they would disintegrate in the atmosphere. It further said that the planetary defense experts are always watching the skies to safeguard Earth from future potential threats. And now, do join TOMTV's new program, Your Voice Adomgi Konjel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 9402491494 or 8415-75251 or 8413956065 along with your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist.
Hi day, Miyobana, Labor Muk Nungai Badi, Igi Ponapam, Igi Rekai, Igi Yumna, Ani Sudi, Adubu, Haujik, Ai Samak, Rastangi Manuk Channel Labor, BWD Narayan Sam Colony, Haiba Mapam, Asida, Manipurage, Koipuna, Mio Kunmanga, Tabakamagi Lakibani, Tabaksu, Lockdown Maram Oiraga, Tinjin Cray, Tokosunang Audrey, Aduna, Miangi Boys Konjel Dagi, Mateng Logeraga, Haujikpa Libalangak Dagi, Pangbayaba Mateng, Atubuda, Pangbiragadi, Yamunungai Jagani, Lengdana Resu, Sadavaya the Bagia Wabase, Masibu Biraga, Mateng Pangbirau, Haiba Wapamsi, Tamjagi.
We have received COVID-19 relief fund 2000 from our government's Manipur. So we would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, upholding us, his state member, being outside from the state.
COVID-19 na maram oiduna mafum asida hingnanab honabada yamna awaba nangjare leizaramba sil mayam su loire ngasidi ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯕꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯂꯨꯄꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯐꯥꯎ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯐꯪꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯄꯤꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯖ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯕꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯕ
We have received COVID-19 relief fund rupees 2,000 for our government of Manipur. So we would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister upholding us, his state member, being outside from the state.
There are about 300 to 400 Manipuris living in Mumbai. Most of us are living in Mumbai are workers working in shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, and private firms for our livelihood. But since the lockdown has been imposed, all the shopping malls, restaurants, hotel, and private firms are shut indefinitely, due to which our employers are not paying our salaries for the past 2 months. Now we have no money, our bank balances are exhausted, our pockets are empty, no money to pay rent, no money to buy daily essential items. It is very unfortunate that our state government has been silent for over a month and not being taken any measures to bring us back home. We have heard that now Manipur government has taken a measure to bring back all the stranded Manipuris living in other states of India. But my question here is, how long will it take? Why our government is delaying the process? Our government could have arranged this long back. Why our government is taking too long? So my only request to our government of Manipur is that please take us back home as early as possible without further delay in these difficult times. It will be highly appreciated if our government acknowledge our hardships and do something for us to bring back home in the next 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. With 73 deaths in 24 hours, India's COVID-19 toll crosses 1,000 mark. Eight security personnel from Assam infected with COVID-19 denied treatment. Manipur government books several people for criticism of handling COVID-19 crisis. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.
Thank you.